Good morning. So right now I'm really into eating vanilla yogurt, granola and flax seeds. This granola has dried fruit and almonds. It's absolutely delicious. I'm obsessed. We're going to start by updating my menu. This is a magnetic board that sits on my fridge and it helps me stay organized during the week when I need to get meat out the freezer, butter out the fridge to get to room temperature for bacon. This really does keep me organized and on top of everything. And there's even a little space for a shopping list. So when I do run out of something and I remember in that moment to write it down, when Friday rolls around, I am organized. I know just to quickly glance at the fridge and I know what I'm doing. So this is just really cheap off Amazon. I will link it below. It comes with like 6 different color pens too. I tend to leave Friday and Sundays blank because Friday we go out as a family, we might eat out or we'll order takeout, and Sundays I will usually eat the leftovers from Saturday. I've said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. Get your one load of laundry done every morning. It really has been a lifesaver. I'm on top of it all. So I had to run out and get new pajamas for my 2-month-old. These are 6-month-old clothes. I mean, they grow so fast, it makes me want to cry. My other two were like £5.12 and £7.12 when born. And this baby is just growing so fast. He's just started to smile. Oh my God, he melts my heart. But yeah, what I was saying was he is so much bigger than my other two and growing so much quicker. Like, slow down, buddy. This is my diaper caddy. I've still got 2 kids in diapers, although we are starting to potty train now. But I did want to show you this nail file. Wouldn't use anything else now. This is the best thing in all of baby products history. So I'll link it below if you're interested, but I'm still using it for my toddlers. It's great. And I keep my diaper caddy on top of the fridge because it's the only place it's safe. Toddler life. So I saw this Tupperware set on sale and I grabbed it because I thought it looked really good and it was a really decent price. But it's not as good as I wanted. It's not as big as I needed the containers to be. But it will do for now. So if you've got a recommendation of a good Tupperware set, let me know in the comments, please. Love having a full fridge, hate having an unorganized fridge. This needs sorting out. Let's do this. Yep, I had to get changed because I had leaky mum boobs and I'm now back in my sweatpants. Once a month I would take out all the shelves and give them a real good clean, but every single week I wipe everything down, so that's what we're doing right now. Anybody else's toddlers just live off yogurts? Yeah, same. So definitely needing a bigger tripod because filming this and trying to clean at the same time was pretty hard. So I use the Method bamboo spray because there's no harsh chemicals in it, but I absolutely love the smell of this. I have tried the others, but this one is by far my favorite. I don't know why these cleaning videos are so therapeutic and great and satisfying to watch, but I'm here for it. Yes, I do love my whipped cream, but the only reason I have 3 of them is because I got them from Costco this time. And then I saw a hair that was stuck, so I'm just trying to get that out right there. Again, I'm so sorry I'm so shaky. I'm trying to do this while hold the camera. It's a struggle. Yes, that is more like it. I can see everything. Everything is clean. Done. am just filling up Meow Meow's food dispenser. Love this thing because this generally lasts her the week. Yeah, we're stocking up everywhere today. Back to some really satisfying cleaning. Best thing on YouTube right now. So I have a couple of these little cameras set up in the downstairs. It's just so that when we're all outside in the garden, we can still see our baby sleeping and hear if he wakes up. It's connected to our phones. They're actually really good. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.